Okay, this is my market analysis and recap for November 26th, 2024. I did a fairly good job of trading today. I would give myself a B. Actually got a free account from our combine from Top Step yesterday, so I traded it at the session open last night. And caught this up move, made about $250, hit my target, and I closed it out. And then I was kind of watching for more upside. I was kind of bullish based off of the move, and the 4 hour was inside and up. And if you see here, there's on the 5, there was this 1, 2 up, 2 down setup, but on the 15 there was a really nice 3, 2 up, 2 down that led to this big sell-off, and I missed it and didn't really get anything of it. And so, because I was looking bullish, so I wasn't quite ready. I needed to get used to like getting ready to switch directions, especially when we're at the exhaustion risk point. And then I think I woke up at like 4:30, and so there was this nice 1 and up, and I missed that. But later on, I caught on this 2 down up on this 5. I caught some of that. I didn't make it all the way here because you got target up here. Need to trail more, but and then it was the midnight open was there also, so I think I got it up to like almost 500, and then I switched to a different combine that I have 20. I had like 1,500 profit in it, trying to get the other 1,500. And on this open, this two down hammer on the open, I caught some of it. I was scaling in and then partialing, and I had a runner on. I was hoping that would run up to this day target from here, but my runner came back. I think my runner was up like $200 to where I moved my stop to break even. So I was up like 900 and something, and it came back and stopped me in here, and I locked that up. So that was like $750 gain in that account. So I locked that up, and I went back to my the other one that I had, and then I caught some of this off of here up to the day, and I think I got that up to like 1,100. And then so then I was like waiting for something good, and I think didn't really see much. And then in here, I think here or in the 10:30 time, it came down, and I started messing about with it to short the lows, which I got to quit doing that. If I miss the entry, just let it go. There'll be plenty more entries. I got to be quicker on the entries, and I think I got it down to like 900. Chop me down with a couple trades to 900 something. And then I didn't really do any trading, but there was still some nice moves. I mean, it was a tough day because look at how choppy. This is the 30-minute, how choppy it was. There was no pushing anywhere, but the moves were wide enough that if you caught something like this, you can make pretty good trades. This 3-3 was tough because you're looking for it to come back through the range, because we don't really enter on threes. And then so then I had lunch and all that stuff, and if I think I missed this. I didn't see it. I was at my desk, but I was kind of messing around with some of the programming. I didn't see that this was a 3-1. I mean, it was beautiful STRAT setup 3-1, and then especially when that was over the VWAP, boom. And so, you know, in the STRAT, this is enforced, so you can go and find lower time frame signals to take. So like here, that was enforced, so here's a nice hammer down, boom, you can take that to your target. You know, if this would, your stop would go below the candle that, you know, triggered, and it went in. I did catch a little bit of that and got that account back up to like 1200. I tried to do another little long up in here to try to, which I was almost there to push it, and I think I lost $100 to push it to that 1500. So ended up like 1150 up on it. So not too bad. If you look, the NQ did hit the day sell trigger, but reversed immediately and did that at night. Did not make a 3 candle, didn't make it all the way through to the 3. So we have this nice 2 down hammer candle going tomorrow with this magnitude, you know, 21, 24, 75 magnitude, and then, you know, it could get going. If it goes, it could PMG. It's holiday, so you never know what could happen. So I'll be watching that kind of to the long side as long as it's above this 29.9875 on the week. ES, same thing, although the ES was a little stronger and it did do a 3 here. Could hit this week, so that'd be another thing. It could kind of pop up here, hit this week, and then start coming back through, you know. Just have to be on your toes. And that day trigger is gone. On that, the Russell was weak, so this is a good example of exhaustion risk. It hit that weekly target here, and it came back, and now it's coming back through. So this weekly up trigger could also be a daily sell trigger. So if it's weaker tomorrow, might be where I look for shorts and maybe longs on the NQ. And the YM was super strong. It didn't take out its low, and we're in this nice hammer, so it'd be a 2-up continuation into blue sky. I don't really want to trade that. I don't have a target or blue sky anything, so I will look at NQ and Russell for tomorrow. Gold did hit this last daily target here. You know, now there's this liquidity zone here, fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. Came back through, so it has a nice buy trigger on the day there. Quite a ways from the, but it did make that quite a ways from the target, but it did, you know, did make that move to one in a day, so it could make it back in a day, but I don't know. With the time frame continuity being to the downside, I don't think that would do that. What would be better is if it took this up and came back through, and we could maybe make a 3 of this day. I'll have to watch that and see what happens. Let me hit this target. Bitcoin came down, hit that daily target. So now we've got this nice, so it's with this 3, it's starting to do a broadening formation here, which this could come back through if it doesn't come down any further. If it hits that deal, if it hits that buy trigger, it could be off to the races. What ideal would be to get a buy setup on a lower time frame, the 60 or 30 or 15, to trigger that, because that's going to be some people's profit there. So you don't want to like take it and then it immediately dump on you. Pretty good setup to the upside. I'm gonna put me a alert on that, because now there's a bunch of shorts in here. 2 days of building up shorts that they could squeeze, but maybe they want to get more shorts and squeeze them. We'll have to see. Oil hit these final 2 daily targets. It's kind of looks like it's in a little mini broadening formation. It could still come all the way through here. You know, this inside week, inside month, inside quarter, so it's not something you really want to trade. And I think there's between Bitcoin, NQ, and Ruddy, I think the Russell, there's more things to trade. It's just, yeah, man, look at this. It's just been in this big consolidation. If it ever breaks out of there, it might move, but I will put this in, but not too gung ho to trade it. Oops, dang it. Put an alert on there in case it does go. Yeah, got the alert. Okay. Well, that is all I have for today.